way to Disney. It's Saturday and it's like 2:30. Correct. And we're coming back tomorrow. Tomorrow night. We have time. So it's fun. We are going to Magic Kingdom today and Hollywood Studios tomorrow. We made it. We are here. I'm vlogging on my phone because I'm not carrying my camera.
Hot.
It is really hot.
I'm wearing jeans and it's hot.
It's really hot.
I'm not the brightest.
No.
It'll get dark soon.
Yeah.
You girls said
We got ready in the car. I think we did pretty well for that.
oh, I think I look good.
Also, I made this shirt.
I look like a disaster.
Isn't it like, it's cute, right? I think it's cute. And now we have to, you know, get into the park. Okay, bye. We're on.
Oh, you're the
Yeah. We're on the boat.
Oh, I see Space Mountain.
Yeah. I would show them, but it's like not gonna show up as well on the camera. Oh, you're gonna show them? Okay. And there's the castle. I did it. You're welcome. Thanks. We're going on the last floor. We're gonna laugh so hard.
It's not like I know the jokes.
Of course not.
Right now, Alexandre. Okay, you are good. Now,
Why can't you trust atoms? Everybody say why? Because they make up everything. Why does the Norwegian Navy have barcodes on the side of their ships? Everybody say why?
Why?
So when they arrive back in port, they can Scandinavian.
So we are on our way to Haunted Mansion.
And break.
Oh my god, sorry. And I'm also debating if I want a pretzel or not.
You do want a pretzel.
I do want a pretzel.
And I want a Mickey Mouse ice cream.
Okay, so we're gonna stop and do that. Are we doing it after?
After. I'm so full.
After?
My
Yeah.
kids' chicken
I didn't eat enough.
Really fills me up.
Oh my god, it's really bright again. Okay, bye. Update. We decided not to go on the Haunted Mansion. I got a pretzel and it's almost gone.
Now we're walking into the castle.
Correct. Do it. You can do it. Look at her dancing. I can't breathe. We're in line for the Pirates of the Caribbean. That's what we're in line for. And Jennifer's dancing. Oh my god. This lighting sucks. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god, my hair is such a mess.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And be sure to watch your kids.
You folks are wearing hats and glasses. Let's remove them. Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness. We are on Thunder Mountain, in case you didn't realize that. My hair looks like a freaking helmet. Here we go. Woo! Whee! Oh my gosh. Oh, it's dark. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now. So it's Sunday, and we are in Hollywood Studios. Cute face.
There's a hammer now.
I just got Starbucks, or we just got Starbucks. We also got.
Tell me how it has a 13-minute wait.
What?
Car fair.
That's
supposed
weird,
to be
but yeah.
intervals of 5.
We got pineapple, and then carrots and celery, because that's breakfast, right? We're in there we go. Yep. Yeah. They're upside down. Okay. Oh my god. I look ridiculous. It's fine. Okay. Hey guys, I look like a mess. It's the next day, it's Monday. We drove home last night. I was so tired. I went home, I passed out. It was like 8:39 when I fell asleep, and I didn't wake up till the next morning at like 9. Anyway, I'm on my way to school to take like a test right now. Thought I'd finish the vlog. If you guys like vlogs, let me know. I'll do more of them. I think it's fun to vlog, so yeah. And oh, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I have social media if you guys want to follow me there. It's all linked down below. And yeah, so guys, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.